Caught behind, yes, clear edge. We could hear the sound till here. Was trying to pull a whitish ball from outside off stump, but eventually edging it to the keeper. Oh, bowled him. That's gone through the gate. What a ball. By the time the bat could come down, this is truly, in the sense, a clean bowled. Ball hitting the stumps, no bat in between. Keeper's catch. Yes. Once more, it's an example of how a paddle sweep is full of risk. Nothing like a conventional sweep. Oh, bowled him. Look at the stump. Cartwheeling. Paying the price of playing across the line. It's gone up. It's coming down to the fielder here. Gully will take a catch. Very nice catch taken by Gully. Moving to his left and back. Hook shot not working. And success for the bowler. Short pitch ball. Oh, lovely square card. That's a boundary. Hardly any backlift on that shot. Beautifully executed for runs. On the pads, that looks absolutely plumb. Absolutely plumb. I agree with the umpire. That was bang on target. Missing that line totally. And like before. This is coming vertical. There is a fielder right where the ball is coming down. Shot third man will take a simple catch. Once again, make note that it was a cross. Oh, return catch. How do you like that? Checking the shot at the last moment and totally failing. This is a dismissal. This is up, but it's not going to clear the ground. Mid-wicket getting into position. Takes a nice catch. Takes a nice catch. Another exciting moment of the first Rawal cricket. Long on is there. He will take a straightforward catch, and will he stay inside the rope? Yes, he will. The batsman is beginning to take a long walk. All out. Sledgehammers are all out, and victory for the team in blue. This was action from the Rawal. Direct hit. Fingers gone up. Amazing throw from the gully fielder, and the batsman is a goner. He was just about to touch the bat onto the pitch, but what a throw. This is outstanding fieldsmanship.